TikTok split screen. Right now, the only split screen effect on TikTok that you can use is the duet feature or the split feature. The duet feature allows you to share the screen with another creator's video, and the split feature only allows you to replicate your own video 4, 6, or 9 times. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do a TikTok split screen like this. To create the TikTok split screen, I'm going to be using Veed. Let's get started. Now we're on Veed, click upload a file, and we're going to select both videos and give them a moment to upload. My videos are actually filmed for TikTok, but if you did have a horizontal video and you want to resize it, just click settings in the toolbar, click the drop down arrow next to size and select TikTok. Now for the TikTok split screen effect. We are going to resize and reposition our first video to fit in the top half of the frame. And you can do this by pulling on the corner inside toggles, then click, hold and drag it up. Pick up your second video clip and you're going to drop it over your first one. Now if one video is longer than the other in the timeline, just push the longer one over to the left so that they both end in sync. And we're just going to do the same thing with this video, except this time after cropping it, we're going to click, hold and drag it to the bottom of the frame. Now, if you wanted to, you could close the gap between the two videos, or you could change the color of the background so that the split screen effect is really noticeable. Click settings in the toolbar and then select the color bucket. You can choose any color from the palette, or you can use the dropper tool to choose a color from either video. Lastly, you can spice up your split screen TikTok by adding in an animated text title. Click text in the toolbar and then click headline title. You can change the text and customize the color, size, effect and animation. And for the final touch, we're going to add in some royalty-free music by clicking audio in the toolbar, searching the stock audio library and choose a fitting track. You're going to push it over to the left so that the audio and TikTok end in sync. Now our TikTok split screen video is looking good. Let's export it. Click done in the top right hand corner and click where it says quality. Then you're going to choose your render settings, go back and click export video. Give that a moment to render, and once it's done we can watch it back to see how it turned out. Lastly, click download and download MP4. And that's how to do the TikTok split screen effect. For more TikTok tutorials, I'm going to pop some videos on screen. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!